Hey Pioneers, this is the machine curl. Specifically, it's more of a preacher curl, so your elbows and your shoulders should be stabilized, so it's only your biceps doing anything. I want an appropriate height of the seat for myself, so make sure you pull the knob and you let it raise or go down to find something appropriate for you. This is a comfortable seat for me. I need to make sure that my elbows line up with this point right here at the fulcrum or the pivot point. I also want to make sure it's an appropriate weight for me, and because this is a very strict isolation movement for a small muscle, start pretty light. I can take the pin to adjust by larger increments and turn the knob to adjust by 5-pound increments. When I sit down, it is most comfortable for me to have my body pressed against the pad, but it is okay not to be. I'm gonna pull this toward me to get into my start position with my elbows at the level of the fulcrum. Grip the handles, palms facing up, and bring the handles toward my face and back down. Make sure that you keep your shoulder blades locked in. I don't want them to be limp. This works the muscles in here in the bicep, and then a little bit in this muscle right here, especially if you grip the handles really hard. And that's the machine curl.